draw the stem. Now we will draw the mango. Draw a big curved shape, kind of like an oval, but a little tilted to the side. Let's add a leaf on our mango. Make a long, pointy shape, just like a teardrop. And our drawing is complete! Now we will highlight our drawing. It's time to color our drawing. First, we will color the stem brown. Now, we will color the leaf green. At last, we will color the mango yellow. Our mango is looking so yummy and juicy. It's done! Bye, friends! Let's meet in the next video! And do like the video and subscribe our channel for such videos. Also share with your friends.